Hi everyone, Sam here again. GiveCloud allows you to set up engaging fundraising items that can be used for supporters to either donate or purchase towards. This includes items like donation pages, event registrations, membership purchases, online store purchases, and more. When you set up these items that supporters can donate towards or purchase, you also need to tell GiveCloud how to code the resulting gifts in DonorPerfect. In this video, we're going to be looking at two examples, a donation page or a fund, and an event registration page, and how those can uniquely push different coding into DonorPerfect. Let's jump on in. We've created this donation page where supporters can donate to a general fund, one time, or set up a recurring monthly donation. When someone successfully donates, the contribution is stored in GiveCloud. A line item reflecting the donation shows up on the contribution screen and then is synced to DonorPerfect automatically. A gift will be created for each line item within the contribution. The coding used when creating the gift in DonorPerfect needs to be defined either at the item level or the specific variant level, one time or monthly in this case, and here's how you can set that up. On each item you create, there is a DonorPerfect integration panel where you can define the gift fields. For example, GL, solicitation, sub-solicitation, campaign, so on and so forth. GiveCloud will record these on the gift that is created in DonorPerfect. To go a step further, let's say you wanted a different campaign code for the one-time donation versus a monthly donation or variant. You can do this by defining the DP coding on the variant level or the pricing option. As you can see, there are different campaign codes set on these particular variants. It is important to note that the variant level coding takes precedence over the item level coding. In this example, there is a campaign code on the one-time variant and a campaign code set at the item level. When a supporter donates using the one-time option, the campaign code specified on the one-time variant is going to be used on the gift created in DonorPerfect. If there was no campaign code on the one-time variant, then the campaign code that's specified at the item level would be used instead. Now let's look at the contribution made towards this item and the DP coding that was used. This is a one-time contribution made toward the general fund. GiveCloud synced this to DonorPerfect, creating a gift to reflect this contribution. You can see the gift in DonorPerfect in the DonorPerfect panel on the contribution page right here. Here is the gift ID for the gift created in DonorPerfect. You can click on the gift ID to see what the gift looks like in DonorPerfect. We can see here that the DP fields, GL, solicitation, sub-solicitation, are filled out based on what we specified on the item, and the campaign code used was specified on the one-time variant. Now let's look at a contribution made towards the general fund where the supporter chose to give on a monthly recurring basis. In this contribution, we can see that there is one line item which reflects the setting up of the recurring payment, and the supporter also chose to make an initial payment. In the DonorPerfect panel, we can see the gift ID for the initial payment. We can see here that the DP fields, the GL, solicitation, sub-solicitation are filled out based on what we specified on the item, and the campaign code that was used was specified on the monthly variant. A pledge then is also created in DonorPerfect to reflect the recurring payment that was created in GiveCloud. The pledge ID is not recorded in this panel, but you can see the pledge by clicking on the donor ID in the DonorPerfect panel, then clicking on the Pledges tab. When the recurring payment is processed, each gift will be created under the pledge in DonorPerfect, and the coding used will be what's specified on the item and variant that the recurring payment is linked to. Alright, let's look at another example. We've set up an event registration with a general admission ticket option that also has the option to give an additional donation. In this example, when someone purchases a general admission ticket or donates to the event, we want the campaign, solicitation, and sub-solicitation to be the same. So we've set this at the item level, but we would like the registrations and donations to be attributed to different GL funds. So we've set this at the variant level for each. Now let's have a look at a contribution that includes a registration, but also has an additional donation. Here you can see that this contribution has two line items, one for the registration and one for the donation. In the DonorPerfect panel, you can see that there are two gifts created in DonorPerfect to reflect this contribution. as it shows the item level coding that we've set up previously is recorded on the gift, solicitation, sub-solicitation, and campaign, but the GL code is what was specified on the registration variant. Similarly, looking at the gift for donation, the same solicitation code, sub-solicitation, and campaign coding is recorded on the gift, but the GL code is what was specified on the donation variant. We hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, please reach out to our team. We'd love to hear from you, but we hope you have a great day and we'll talk to you soon.